The house is on a corner lot in Puertos Escobar, Buenos Aires, Argentina. The primary challenge of this project lay in the site's atypical shape. Being a corner plot, the aim was to maximize the available area by adopting a V-shaped layout. The open side of the courtyard, where the V-shape widens, creates an opening that integrates the rest of the garden. One wing was constructed using traditional wet construction techniques, exposed brick and double walls for interior comfort, and visible reinforced concrete for the roof. In contrast, the other wing employs a dry construction system, steel structure, enclosure sandwich panels, and a lightweight corrugated sheet roof. Casa J serves as a family weekend retreat focusing on social spaces. It is a single-story project that optimally uses the site's constraints. Its constructive aspect gives it a distinctive personality, conceiving a unique language based on the technique. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.